When you join our meal planner community, everything is personalized for you. You get custom recipe recommendations that are both delicious and inspiring. You also get a team of food coaches that are on hand to answer your questions 7 days a week. The way we personalize everything in the meal planner for you is by starting with a discovery quiz, where you can share your specific needs. For example, we'll ask you questions such as, what are your goals? Who else are you cooking for? Anyone have allergies in your home? How much time do you have to cook? And what kind of appliances do you have? After we gather the right information, you'll get personalized recommendations for what you should eat every week. And you can trust that each meal is loaded with flavor and the best nutrients possible. Many people find that the meal planner helps them save both time and money for several reasons. For example, there is a popular feature that scales a recipe for leftovers with a click of a button to ensure you simply prep once and enjoy twice. Planning also helps save time and money at the store. You can easily print your grocery list, or you can use the grocery list on your phone to keep your shopping trip organized. And remember, you can reach out to our food coaches anytime, even when you're shopping if you have questions. Want to skip the store? As a member of the Meal Planner Tribe, you can have all your groceries delivered right to your door in over 200 U.S. markets through our grocery delivery partners. The Meal Planner has all kinds of other great perks. For instance, we have cooking education videos embedded throughout the planner to help you improve your cooking skills. With the Meal Planner, reaching your goals can be simple and delicious. Even better, your whole family can enjoy this tasty food while becoming plant strong.